Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to learn high order division of two numbers with the array method, and we are going to have a lot of fun while learning it with an interesting Intelli activity. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following materials from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out the three types of number cards and the array boundary structure parts from the multiplication and division kit of your Intelli Smart Box. The blue square-shaped number cards are referred to as hundreds card, and they have 100 single units in each one of them. The green rectangular number cards are referred to as the tens cards, and they have 10 single units in each one of them. And the small yellow square-shaped number cards are referred to as ones cards, and each one of them is equal to a single unit. We have 16 array boundary sticks and 2 boundary end sticks with 1 connector unit. The boundary sticks make up the arms of the array boundary, and the 2 boundary end sticks will become the ends of the array boundary arms. The connector is used to connect the 2 arms of the array boundary. We use as many boundary sticks as required as per the value of the two numbers in the division problem. We will solve a simple division problem and find the result for 24 divided by 12. Here, 24 is the number that is being divided and will be called as the dividend, and 12 is the number which divides the dividend and will be called as the divisor. Take 2 boundary sticks, 2 boundary end sticks and the connector and place them on a table or a flat surface. Connect each boundary stick to the boundary end stick. And join them together with the connector like this. The array boundary has one horizontal and one vertical side. We will represent the divisor, the number 12, on the vertical side of the array boundary. The expanded form of the number 12 is 10 plus 2, and the number can be represented using a tens card and 2 ones cards. 12 blocks of the vertical boundary have been covered using the number cards. Now we shall represent our divisor using the number cards. The number 24, if expanded, will become 20 plus 4. We need 2 tens cards and 4 ones cards to represent the number using the number cards. Let's arrange the cards column wise. Each column should have exact number of individual single unit blocks as the divisor, that is the number 12. Count the number of individual blocks in the first row of the dividend blocks. Remember only to count the first row blocks of the dividend representation. Here we have 2 blocks, and 2 is the quotient when 24 is divided by 12, and 0 is the remainder as there are no single units or cards remaining out along the side of the dividend section. And this is how you can solve and visualize many more division problems. What about solving 137 divided by 11? Let's do it quickly. The dividend is 137 and the divisor is 11. Represent the divisor, the number 11, on the vertical side using a tens card and a ones card. That's a correct representation of the number 11. And now represent the dividend, the number 137, alongside of the divisor using a hundreds card, 3 tens cards and 7 ones cards. We can keep the hundreds card here, adjust one of the tens card here, the remaining two tens cards here, and we can only adjust two ones cards here. The space is now full. A perfect rectangle is formed. 5 of the ones card are remaining out, which makes 5 as our remainder. And to find the quotient, we need to count the single unit blocks in the first row of the dividend representation. We have 1, 2, 11 and 12 single unit blocks, and that's correct. 12 is the quotient when we divide the number 137 by the number 11, and 5 is the remainder. After performing this activity, we are sure that you will have learned the following concepts: expanded representation of a number using the number cards, and division of two given numbers using the array method, visualizing and solving a division problem. Now you can choose more numbers to divide using the array method and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.